Actress-host Gabby Garcia looks back on her unforgettable experience as a pub house guest, sharing heartfelt memories and lessons learned during her time inside the house. Gabby Garcia recently took to social media to share her reflections on her unique experience as a house guest inside the Pinoy Big Brother (PBB) house. The actress-host, known for her vibrant personality and versatility, expressed her excitement and gratitude upon returning to the outside world. Magandang gabi, outside world. I'm back. Hi, what an experience. Sa 4 days ko sa loob, napakadaming nangyari. Gabby exclaimed, conveying just how packed and memorable her brief stay had been. During her 4-day stint inside the iconic PBB house, Gabby immersed herself in various activities that made her experience truly unforgettable. From performing impromptu skits and hosting a dog show to eating different vegetable dishes and rationing 1 egg per day, she embraced every challenge thrown her way. Gabby also shared that there were countless moments filled with laughter, heartfelt conversations, and even emotional breakdowns, making her short journey meaningful. Despite the challenges, Gabby's stay became more special because of the warm connection she formed with her fellow housemates. Maraming salamat sa housemates for sharing your hearts with me. They really are the best. I miss them already. Definitely a memorable time in my life. She shared. For Gabby, being a house guest inside the PBB house was more than just a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. It was a full-circle moment that took her back to her earlier days when she was just a hopeful auditionee. Akalain mo yun, dati nag-audition lang ako, tapos naging host, at naging house guest pa. Grabe talaga si Lord, Gabby reflected, expressing her amazement at how far she had come. Gabby's journey with PBB began when she was announced as one of the hosts for Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Club edition in February. In March, during the opening night, Gabby found herself unexpectedly locked inside the house as part of a special task. From dancing to the iconic PBB theme song as a child to hosting and becoming a house guest, Gabby's PBB experience showcased her growth as an artist and her unbreakable spirit. Fans were quick to react to her heartfelt posts, celebrating her remarkable journey and hoping to see her back on the show.